Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Chevy 525 horsepower dual quad carburetor setup for our customer's 1933 Plymouth 5-window coupe. Go over some of the highlights of the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block 427 4-bolt main, double roller timing chain, comp cams, roller lifter cam in there. We have the Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, roller rocker arms in there, the Moroso oil pan for the 427. We have the proper flex plate for the customer's transmission, high torque mini starter, Taylor ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there. These beautiful Chevrolet chrome script valve covers. We have the dual quad AVS2 Edelbrock carburetors on there. All the linkages are all set up, the progressive linkage all done, ready to go. Small cap distributor in there, ignition coil. Every engine is live run for over an hour. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the gauge readings sent to you, photos of the entire engine build. We also have the 140 amp chrome alternator. Real simple, one wire hookup alternator, 8 rib serpentine belt, heavy duty serpentine belt, tension's all set. So there you have it, 427 Chevy, enginefactory.com. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.